How's it? Today we're going to be making lemon squares from a recipe that my dad has always made since I was a kid. So let's get to it. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees. First, let's start with the crust. In a large mixing bowl, beat together room temperature butter. Add in 2 cups sifted flour and the powdered sugar. Beat it until it looks crumbly. Scrape the mixture into a 9x13 pan. I use a spatula to spread the crust mixture, then pat it down. Bake it for 15 minutes. In the meantime, beat the eggs and sugar. Then add 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon flour and baking powder. If you want, you can add in nuts. Stir it all together. Take out the crust. Then pour the lemon gooey into the crust and bake for 35 minutes. Let it cool first, then you can cut. Serve and enjoy.